Hey everybody, here's the August 2021 National Real Estate Market Update. Usually what I do is the national and local update, but since we're getting the local information coming out later in the month and the national coming out earlier in the month, I thought from now on I'll just break it up and go a little deeper into each one. So going into the national, what we're looking at here is the year-over-year price appreciation percentages have been accelerating. Just this month, January 2021 from January of last year was 10%. February up a little more, March 11.3, April 13, and May 15.4%. So according to a few other sources, the Federal Housing Finance Agency house price index, it was as high as 18%. The S&P Case-Shiller U.S. National Home Price Index, it was 16.6. And then, of course, we just saw the CoreLogic Index. So what that does is it continues to erode at the affordability index. So again, just this year so far, January, February, March, we saw it go up a little bit, but you're seeing that decline as prices do continue to go up. So we're still getting asked a lot about housing bubble. Is there going to be a housing bubble? And what about the risky loans? So according to the chief economist of CoreLogic, there are marked differences in today's run-up of prices compared to 2005, which was a bubble fueled by risky loans and lenient underwriting. Today's loans with high-risk features are absent and mortgage underwriting is prudent. I know that firsthand. Went through a refinance last year, and it was prudent, stringent, challenging. Anyway, so during the market crash, during the 08, 07, 06, there were $376 billion in mortgage originations with people with FICO scores of less than 620. And in 2020, there's only 74 billion. So you can still get a loan with low credit score. It's just going to be higher interest rates and not as many of them. So again, continuing with, is there going to be a housing bubble? It's a supply and demand issue. So according to Sam Cater, VP and Chief Economist, Economic and Housing Research at Freddie Mac, the main driver of the housing shortfall has been the long-term decline in construction of single-family homes. So let's take a look at those numbers. So you can see during the market boom and then bust, there were record numbers of homes, new construction homes being completed, and then they fell off, and then they really fell off. So for the last 13 years or so, there has been a serious lack of homes being constructed, new homes to meet market demand. So on our next video, we're going to take a look at mortgage forbearance and is there a shift happening in the real estate market. So I appreciate you viewing this, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks.